All right, we are gathered here today to celebrate the life of Nelly Bird. Nelly was a good bird. We had Nelly for how many years now?
About a year almost.
No, we had Nelly for about
Two.
2.5, 3 years. Nelly lived a good life, and now we're burying him, and we're saying our goodbyes. As a ritual, everybody will throw a piece of dirt first. Nelly's owner, piece of dirt over Nelly. Throw the dirt on there for Nelly. Taylor, put your dirt on there for Nelly. And Mom, your dirt on for Nelly. And I'll cast my dirt for Nelly. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Nelly, may you fly high in heaven above us.
Let her say something.
You want to say anything to Nelly before you go? I know it's sad. It's okay. Just tell Nelly goodbye. Let's all just wave goodbye, Nelly. Goodbye, Nelly.
This is actually gonna make me cry now.
I know it is sad, but it's okay because after this, we're gonna celebrate.
Celebrate for what?
Everybody's crying. I know. It's sad. All right, Nelly, we're gonna miss you. I'll cast the first dirt over Nelly.
I don't want you to bury her.
We have to.
No.
Are you on the phone? Your friends came to the funeral?
Yeah, they're not in the head. Watch that.
All right, Nelly. And as a remembrance of Nelly, we're going to place a stone right here for you, Nelly. And we're going to celebrate you. We won't
Bricks around it so it doesn't.
we won't forget you. All right, put this stone down, Tiana.
I want to read it.
Taryn, say bye. Say bye, Nelly.
Bye. Feels. Like feels.
Huh? Cute.
I wish Nelly we were in North Carolina at Mimi's house so we could
Goodbye, Nelly.